Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Hyundai Elantra Preferred IVT. It comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a CVT transmission. Automatic included such as drive mode selector, heated bucket seats, power sliding sunroof, lane keep assist, and so much more. Go check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and storage in the bottom next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows. You have the speakers up top. Here you get these manually adjustable heated bucket seats, super comfortable. And left side, you're going to have lane keep assist as well as traction control. Left side of steering wheel will be your voice recognition, volume, and your mode. And the right side will be your odometer cluster and lane centering. So here you can access your compass as well as driver assistance, as well as trip info and your gauges. And it's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. So you're going to have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with Hyundai BlueLink, as well as navigation included, as well as valet mode, and you can also access the climate as well. Down below, you're going to have your physical fans with the heated seats and steering wheel, with 2 USB ports and a 12-volt, which is connected to the aftermarket dash cam, and center console. Again, drive mode selector with the classic handbrake. Got the grab handle here and center console storage. Passenger side, same finish. Manually adjustable, black all the way across, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps and your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna use black 16-inch wheels on Kumo Solace tires with paint match mirror caps, keyless entry door handles, tinted rear glass in the back. You're gonna have that lip spoiler here. Oops. There we go. And trunk space with the all-weather liner. Tons of room in there. It's a very spacious rear. And into the rear interior, again, more paneling storage next to the speaker with the power windows there. Quite a bit of leg room. You're just gonna have lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Hyundai Elantra Preferred IVT with the tech package, equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as heated bucket seats, drive mode selector, power sliding sunroof, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe. We hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.